Really? You'd like a new or almost new Ford truck, SUV, or crossover, but you're waiting for the Fed promised finance rate reductions? When selection is better than it's been in years and prices are lower too? How about some sound advice from Sunset Ford of Sumner? Marry the rig. Date the rate. While selection is best and price is dropping, find that special new vehicle right now and then simply refinance when the rates get lower. Plus, get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying new Ford, saving you thousands down the road. Marry the rig. Date the rate. And when the rates go down, simply restructure and refinance that auto loan to a lower payment. There's absolutely no good reason to wait. Told you we had some sound advice. Let Sunset Ford's matchmakers help you find a Ford you love. Marry the rig. Date the rate.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that. Just off Highway 410 down the hill from Bonnie Lake.